Beloved aficionados and leaders of the morrow, short temper is madness personified. One that angers you controls you. Let us not give anyone that power, especially the one who does it intentionally. One of the most expressions used to describe losing your temper is to fly off the handle. This phrase refers to the head of a hammer coming loose from its handle as a carpenter attempts to use it. The consequences of the action are: first, the hammer becomes useless, no longer good for work. When you lose your temper, you often lose your effectiveness. Anything you say may not be taken seriously and is likely to be unproductive. Second, the hammer twirling out of control is likely to cause some type of damage to anything in its path. When you lose your temper, you can cause damage to objects and people in your way. Third, the repair of the hammer and the resulting damage takes time. When we lose our temper, we can recover easily, but the victim of a hot temper rarely recovers swiftly. So, dear friends, losing our temper in anger is not the best way to handle conflict in life. Let's keep our temper today because nobody else is in need of it. Let's learn to master our emotions. Wishing you abundance of success and a bright future. It's me, Mary Rani, signing off. Thank you.